Welcome to our tutorial on how to create an email signature identical to an existing one in Gmail using Bybrand's text to HTML conversion tool. This tutorial saves you time compared to creating an email signature from scratch. Let's get started. Open Gmail and click on Compose to get your existing email signature. Select and copy the entire content of the existing signature. Open Bybrand and navigate to the tool that converts text to HTML. Paste the copied content into the text to HTML conversion tool. Now that you've converted your plain text signature to HTML, let's enhance it. Add the company logo and social media icons to your signature. You can easily customize the design and layout to match your existing signature. To ensure a visually appealing and professional-looking email signature, make sure to use brand images, working links, and formatting. And there you have it. You've successfully created an email signature identical to your existing one in Gmail using Bybrand's text to HTML conversion tool.